I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Know the platform's character limits and whether it trims spaces. Once done, open the guild settings and enter edit mode. This is the first actionable step. You type the desired name and experiment with a normal space. If trimmed, try a non-breaking space or a Unicode lookalike. Make sure to save after each attempt to test persistence. You're doing this now to avoid wasted attempts later, and to record which character the system accepts. Once you've identified trimming behavior, use a special space character that the platform treats differently. You copy-paste or input U plus 00A0, non-breaking space, or U plus 202F and then save. This preserves separation without being removed. Make sure to test the name in chat, member lists, and profile pages because rendering can vary. Also, keep a plain text backup that lists exact code points so you can reproduce the name if edits get reverted. You finalize by verifying the guild name everywhere: mobile app, desktop client, and web interface. Once consistent, announce the change so members recognize it. If the platform rejects special spaces or normalizes them back, make sure to keep alternative separators like dots or underscores. If needed, contact support and provide the exact code points you used. That helps them reproduce the issue. Finally, document the working name, backup text, and a rollback plan so you can restore or change the name quickly if problems arise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.